What's up guys, I'm Dart and welcome in a new video. It's been a while since last time you heard my voice on this channel and honestly I missed it. It's been over a year since my last unboxing video on this channel. Times have changed, my collection has grown like a lot, and even the way people are collecting has changed. In the last year a lot of third-party companies started appearing and producing some high-quality products, which sometimes can be a good alternative to the original releases for different reasons, but we won't talk about it today. Actually, a lot of people, including some of you, started making their own custom sculpts, by modifying action figures or by 3D printing. I received a 3D printer from ELEGOO, so today we are going to answer a question everyone has wondered. Is it easy to create something using a 3D printer? To begin, I want to specify that the printer ELEGOO sent me is the Mars 2 Pro. They also sent me a mercury curing machine, but let's focus on the printer first. Before using it you have to make a few procedures: calibrating the building plate, leveling the Z-axis, testing the lights and a few more. The instructions make this procedure a piece of cake. Let's start with the test printing. We have to print two rugs which are inside the USB key included with the printer. In addition to the printer and its instrument, you'll need a few balls, possibly something you don't use to it because you won't be able to use them again for the same, the curing machine or some UV lights. Safety first, since resin is toxic you have to wear gloves and face masks. Possibly try to leave your window open while you work. Slowly add the resin to the tank. 1/3 of the tank height will be more than enough for it. Start the printing and enjoy this time lapse. I'm not gonna lie, this part was low-key the hardest one. After letting the remaining resin drop from the base, I tried to detach the towers from it for around 15 minutes. I think it's because I didn't set the Z-axis properly. My bad. Anyway, after that I washed the towers using water, since the resin was water washable, and put them into the curing machine for a few minutes. So, for a first time approach with 3D printing I'm not really disappointed by myself. I made a few mistakes, especially in the final part, but I understood the procedure, so I could finally print something. When we start talking about 3D sculptures, we have a lot of different options. We can use programs and make stuff by our own, or just search for some in 3D libraries. Unfortunately, as I said, I'm not into this kind of things, so I searched for some 3D models on my mini factory. I found a Xeno and a Stormbreaker models. I'll leave you the link for these in the video's description. In the USB key given with the 3D printers there's a software to prepare the print. The use is super easy. You can choose which printer to adapt the print on, choose the model size, prepare the grid and also see the price in amount of resin. So I made the project, prepared the printer, started the printing and something went wrong. I guess I have not tightened the base as I should have, so during the printing process it moved and the model didn't come out correctly. We learned by making mistakes, so I tried once again and it came out correctly. I let it dry, removed the print from the plate, which was easier this time, and started the cleaning process. To wash the prints we'll need 2 bowls of water, or isopropyl alcohol according to the resin you use. Put the prints in the first bowl and leave them for 15-20 minutes. Then put them in the second bowl for another 10 minutes. Let them dry and put them into the curing machine for 2 minutes. If you see there are some parts which still need to be treated, wait some minutes before using the curing machine again. And these are the results. For being just my third print, I'm okay with it. Once you learn the process, using the printer is super easy and fun. Models can be painted using acrylic colors for miniatures. And these are the miniatures painted. Maybe Stormbreaker is a little too small for SH figures, but it was just a trial. Also I'm a bit rusty with the painting, but we are not here for the painting part. So as you have seen, printing miniature is not that hard after all. But can you print your own action figures, also making articulations? Well, it may not be that easy. Don't misunderstand me, it's possible, but it requires high skill in 3D modeling and some basic of engineering, especially if we talk about joints. What can you more easily use it for? Custom parts. If you know or learn the basics of modeling, you can make heads, faces, hands, and other parts to make new characters using already existing ones. The price for this kind of products is very low considering their quality. I didn't imagine I would receive something so solid and user-friendly. Also, the amount of resin you need for the prints is far less than expected, and therefore you can afford to make tests or mistakes without thinking you wasted money. Honestly, now that I have it, I think I'll start studying 3D modeling and making some stuff by my own. Until that moment, I'll search the free libraries for prompts or accessories I need in dioramas and videos background items. I want to thank ELEGOO for this opportunity. You can find a link to both the printer and the cure machine I used in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.